Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Eralend Airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Eralend is a lending protocol on the ZkSync network, and as you can see we are on their website right now. Over here you can actually supply or borrow Ethereum or USDC. So if I click on USDC over here, as you can see you have the option of supplying USDC or withdrawing or maybe borrowing USDC and then repaying. Similarly, you can do the similar thing for Ethereum, and they also have something called as a Eralend Stella program. So if we scroll a bit down, as you can see, the initial phase of Genesis epoch, also known as pre-TGE warm-up, kicks off on 0 UTC on July 10th and continues until the token generation event. So I'm not sure when would be the token generation event for this one, but if we talk about the rewards over here, as you can see, 30% of the potential ZkSync airdrop would be distributed to the users based on the points accumulated during this epoch. So I think it's still under the first epoch and still you are very early to farm this Eralend airdrop. Although do your own research, none of this is the financial advice for airdrop farming or investing into crypto. Now they also have something called as a whitelist for the upcoming initial DEX offering, which would be selected from the top gainers of the Stellar point. Now they also have something called as a early supporters, where if you hold any of these NFTs over here, you will be eligible for additional points. And they also have something called as a Zilli participants. Now if you head to Zilli over here and search for Eralend, all you have to do is you will need to actually do some simple steps over here, like follow them on Twitter, join their Discord server, subscribe to a newsletter, and this would be unlocked in the future. So you can keep completing this task over here, and this will help you earn some additional points on Eralend. Now if we talk about the rewards on Eralend over here, as you can see, this is the Stellar program and it's still under the first epoch, pre-TGE warm, and currently once you connect your wallet over here, you will be able to see your points. So depending on the points, you would be eligible for this airdrop in the future. So more the points, more would be the airdrop, I think so. And they also have something called as a bridge, where you can basically bridge your coins or tokens from other network to ZkSync Era, or vice versa. Maybe you can, if you want to like swap from ZkSync to some other network, you can do it over here. So guys, you are still early, very early for this, and if you want to go ahead and try this out, please go ahead and try this out, because this might be a potential airdrop in the future. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.